Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony for So Called Fashion, and in today's video we're going to talk about something that has plagued my mind for the past 7 months: plants. So a bit of history on me and why these plants have been plaguing my mind. Basically, about 7 months ago, me and my friend Paul, we bought a house together in London. This was really difficult because it took years of saving and really cutting back on different things so we could get the house that we wanted. So once we were in the house, we started filling it with things that we really liked, like new furniture, amazing tables, beautiful chairs. And then it came to the final finishings and we thought what we need in this house now is plants and other living organisms. We went out and bought lots of different plants from a shop in Bethnal Green. Now this shop was amazing. It had plants everywhere and loads of different kinds. They were a little bit pricey, but we were getting such good quality that we thought, you know what, let's just spend this money and make sure that we get the best quality plants that we can because they're going to last us. Now last us, they did not, because 7 months later, our plants have started to die. Now I'm not blaming this shop in Bethnal Green, because I'm pretty sure they know how to take care of their plants, they know what they need to do, whereas me, as a novice, where I've never really taken care of a plant before, had no idea. Was I overwatering them? I don't know. I probably was. Was I underwatering them? Absolutely not. Every week I'd water them, so it wasn't that they were thirsty, maybe they were just overfed. Anyway, these plants just started to die, one by one. And bear in mind, we spent a lot of money on these plants. We spent over £350 on them, so I would have hoped that they would have lasted a bit longer. But me being me and unable to take care of anything, that didn't happen. So what plants did we buy? We bought Pat, and he's just looking sad. We got Julie, and she's now gone. We got Clive, and he's still alive. We got Sarah, and her hair is really straggly now. We got Jessica, and she's had to be moved for her own health. And we got Parker, may he rest in peace. We got Millie, and she bit it. And then we've got Tilly, which she is strangely carrying on. I've moved her into a different position, but she's okay. We got Daffy, oh he dared. And lastly we got Daisy, may her beauty shine in the minds and hearts of people who once knew her. But she's gone. So with that all in mind, today me and Paul are going to go to IKEA and buy a load of fake plants because we're hosting a late but needed moving in party this weekend. So we're trying to get the house fully prepared again, and I think we need some fake plants just to make it look a lot nicer. Now IKEA is so far away from me, I've got to get a bus, a train, another bus, and then a short walk to get to IKEA. So it's going to be a bit of a journey. So let's get going. Okay, so now I'm just literally running out of the house. I'm actually running a bit late. Bus now, and now I'm going to get the tube. Arrived at Tottenham Hale, and now I need to go and get a bus. So I've just missed my next bus, so I'm going to have to wait 20 minutes now for the next one. Okay, so I am back from my IKEA journey with a lot of stuff. So let's go through it. One thing we got was a ceramic cactus looking thing, which I think will look really good when we put it up. We also got loads of different plants of different sizes. So we got fake grass, we got a fake fern, fake ivies that we're gonna put together, a bush, and then another bush but with a different leaf texture. We also got this long stem grass with bits of pink running through it, which will really go with the colour scheme of the bathroom. And then finally we got one of these fake succulents. For the plants to go in, we also got multiple different pots. So what I'm going to do is go and organise all the plants and put them into the positions of where they're going to stay, and then I'll be back to show you the results. Let me have a sip of tea. Tea. I needed a tea after the IKEA journey. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so that's everything set up and put into place, and I have to say I think it looks really good and I'm really pleased with how everything's come out. All the plants look great where they are and all the pots look brilliant as well. Okay, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it that big thumbs up and also click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Also go and check out my Etsy shop where you can go and download CADs, trims and different packs to help your CADs really pop. Check out my social media, Instagram, that's Anthony James London, there's no H in that Anthony, and my Twitter, So Called Fashion. I'm Anthony for So Called Fashion. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Cha cha cha. Bye.